In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a campaign from Google Ads. Whether you're tidying up your account or simply don't need a particular campaign anymore, this straightforward process will walk you through each step with clarity and ease. To begin, head over to the Google Ads website. The easiest way to find it is by doing a quick search for Google Ads, and once you're there, click on the link to access the site. As you land on the homepage, you'll notice a sign in button prominently displayed at the top right corner. Click on that to access your account. If you're not signed in already, you'll need to enter your login credentials, so have them ready. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the Google Ads homepage. This is your dashboard, and it's where you'll see an overview of your campaigns and other vital statistics related to your advertising efforts. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as it gives you an understanding of your campaign's performance at a glance. Now direct your attention to the navigation panel on the left hand side and look for the Campaigns tab. Click on Campaigns to view a list of all your current campaigns. Here you'll find an array of different campaigns that you've set up in the past. Scroll through and locate the specific campaign you'd like to remove. Once you've found it, select it by clicking its name, which should open up the campaign details. After your campaign details are displayed, look towards the top of this section for the Edit button. Clicking this will open up a menu with several options related to managing your campaign. Among these options, you'll find Remove. By clicking Remove, you're opting to permanently delete this campaign from your list. It's important to note that removing a campaign is a significant action. Once removed, it cannot be undone and the data associated with it will no longer be accessible. Therefore, before removing, make sure that you have saved or recorded any important data or statistics that you might need for future reference or analysis. And that's it, your campaign has been successfully removed from your Google Ads account. It's a straightforward process, but doing it right ensures that your account remains organized and clutter-free. By maintaining a clean set of campaigns, you can focus your efforts on what truly matters. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides on managing your digital advertising effectively.